Okay, that's important. Okay, so if you identify this question as being a log question where you have to apply the rules, then you need to
Yeah.
go to your study guide and then you can search for those log rules. Let me open up your study guide and then I can show it to you. Let's see. This one. 1520, 2020 study guide. Okay, so if you're looking for log rules, let's see, it would have been covered probably in the basics.
Yeah, it's right at the end.
Yes, okay, right at the end. So log
Yeah.
rules, log, polynomials, percentages, operations. Where's their logs?
I think it will still be.
There. Exponents, possibly. There. Working
No,
with
no, there
logs.
is D4,
Yes.
182.
Correct. Good. Okay, so log functions. The rules are given here. There we go. 100%. All right, so this is what you would be using. Okay, you'd be taking this, okay, copy, and you'd be applying it. Does it make sense?
Yep.
Okay, so how would you apply that here? Just
Okay,
give me
so I would say,
this part.
so X, yeah, so just in between the brackets would be X divided by X plus 2.
Okay, but what happens to that 2 at the outside? You've got to multiply it in, hey?
Okay.
Okay, so when you have that
Okay.
log rule, it would be x squared minus, well, not minus, divide, okay, by the x plus 2. Okay, so this 2 out here, okay, needs to go into the m. So it'll be an x squared. Is that all right?
Okay. Yep.
Okay, so that's the rule. I'm gonna actually keep that there, and I'll even update this. I'll save it. So you've got more workings in here. Okay, so when you have that formula, right, because you've got 2 ln x minus ln bracket x plus 2, okay, that 2 needs to be multiplied into the x because of the rules for logs, okay, the log rules, right, so that's what you
Okay.
actually get. Okay, once you've got that, then you can solve. Okay, apply normal log exponents. Okay, remember, log is, well, log base e is ln. Do you agree?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. All right. So I've put a page number for this. Obviously, that was for an older version of the study guide. Your textbook has it on page 183. Okay. So log rules on page 183. Okay, but yeah, the log rules are important. Right, so once you've got that, okay, remember, I always write this formula down. 2 to the power 3 equals 8. Okay, log 2 of 8 equals 3. Okay, the reason why I write that down is because then you can apply it to anything. Okay, so when you have this, okay, notice this is ln, which could be log with base e. Does that make sense?
Yep.
Okay, so if this is log base e with that answer, see, notice there, I've got log with base e, and then the 8 is my answer. Okay, equals the exponent. Does it make sense?
Yep.
Okay, so here you'll have e to the 0. Okay, e to the 0 would equal that answer. Okay, that amount there. So I'm just taking
Yep.
this and I'm writing that format in this format. I'm taking a log and I'm making it an exponent, a power.
Okay.
Do you see that step?
Yeah.
Okay, and then anything to the power 0 is always 1, even if it's e. Right, on your scientific calculator, you can type in 10 to the power 0, 20 to the power 0, 100 to the power 0. Anything to the power 0 is always 1.
Okay.
Okay, then I'll have 1 equals x squared over x plus 2. The x plus 2 goes to the left. Okay, you leave the x squared on the right, and then you solve. Okay, here you got a trinomial. Right, when you solve, you get x is 2 or x is minus 1. Okay, if you look at the options, I went with option 4 here. Minus 1 and x equals 2. Right, are you happy with the approach? Is that okay?
Yeah, yes.
I think where most students will probably make a mistake is this step. Taking the log and making it back into a normal equation, basically. That's the only way you can solve it.
Okay.
Right. Would you have been able to do that?
Yes. Yeah, I think, yeah.
Okay, good.
Yeah,
Okay,
the most difficult part is just if you know the rules, just to simplify it.
Yeah. All right. This is
Yeah.
something that might catch you. The 2 here. Okay, that 2 needs to go there. Okay, just be careful for that.
Okay.
Right. Okay, 6 and 7, your thoughts. What is this looking at?
Okay, so uh, sorry, is it question 6? Yeah, equilibrity. So you have to basically set them to each other, the
Good.
two
So if you make
functions.
P
Yeah.
equal S, then you can solve.
Yep.
Do you agree?
Yep.
Okay. How's your arithmetic? Are you okay with solving for Q?
Yep.